Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. And here is background bundle. Here is 100 snow overlay. Here is background, and here is PSD and AI files. These files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay. Total size of this folder 3.60 GB, file is 717. Okay, that's mean 700 plus. Okay, here is no, I know you know how to use this. Second is background. Wow, you can use anywhere. Here is lens photo. Oh, color. All files are high definition. Amazing. File size is 8.87 MB. Here is 16 plus 16.2 MB. Wow. 2.52 MB. And next is PSD and AI files. Here is 2 Moco for Photoshop, and here is it for Adobe Illustrator. Amazing. For example, I open this one. One. Here is a background. You can use now. This one open in Photoshop. Okay. Wow. Here. And these files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. I hope these backgrounds are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care and love. Peace.